This monoblock is designed to fill and cap highly corrosive liquids with trigger pumps, operating at a speed of 150 bottles per minute. Since the machine would be installed in a room exposed to corrosive fumes from nearby lines, a special construction was required to protect it, both internally and externally. In addition to our standard corrosion protection, using advanced materials such as Hastelloy and Halar coating, we paid special attention to ventilation, overpressurized compartments, and fume detection systems. This solution reflects our expertise in handling home care products with trigger pumps, combining high-performance engineering with a practical design to protect both the machine and its working environment.